So first question, and this is a inverting amplifier. So this is inverting amplifier circuit. So the gain of inverting amplifier, the formula here is minus RF divided by R1. So this is gain, voltage gain equation for inverting amplifier. So here RF is equal to 1 mega ohm. So minus 1 mega ohm over 6, and this R1 is equal to 1 kilo ohm, that is 1 power minus 3. So performing this, we will get 10 to the power 3, that is equal to minus 100, 3 zeros. So here the answer is B. Second question, in the subtractor circuit below figure, R1 is equal to 5 kilo ohm, RF is equal to 10 kilo ohm, V1 is equal to 4 volt and V2 is equal to 5 volt. Find output voltage. And this is a subtractor circuit, so V out, that is equal to RF divided by R1 into V2 minus V1. And another one formula also there, that is V0 is equal to 1 plus RF by R1 into V2 minus, and this is for V2, and this is connected to this non-inverting term, and this one is inverting term, so that is minus RF divided by R1 into V1. And this also similar to this equation. You can find the answer by putting all the values in this equation also, and this is a short form of that equation. So this is approximately equal to this value, and here RF is equal to 10 kilo ohm, 10 to the power 3, and R1 is equal to 5 kilo ohm, 5 into 10 to the power 3, and V2 is 5 and V1 is 4. So solving this, we will get 2, and this is 2, this get cancelled, so 2 into 1 volt. So answer here is 2 volt plus 2 volt. So here the answer is plus 2 volt. B is the answer. Third question, an ideal op-amp has, and these three are all the property of this ideal op-amp. So the answer is all the above: infinite voltage gain, infinite input resistance, 0 output resistance. So all the above. So here the answer is D. And fourth question, the op-amp comparator circuit uses, and in op-amp comparator there is no feedback path. It convert to voltage and produce the output. So in op-amp comparator there is a combination circuit commonly, so there is no feedback path. So here the answer is D, no feedback. The op-amp comparator circuit uses no feedback. D is the answer. Fifth question, find the output voltage of an op-amp inverting adder for the following set of input voltages and resistor. So adder, in case of adder, that is V out is equal to addition of all voltages. So this V out, that is equal to, that is given as minus, because this is inverting adder, so minus inverting adder, so put minus sign here. So that is known as K1 V1 plus K2 V2 plus K3 V3. 3 voltage levels are there. So K1 K2, where K1 is equal to RF divided by R1. So in this case RF is equal to 1 mega ohm, so 1 power 10 power 6. R1 is equal to 250 K. So solving this, we will get 4. Similarly, K2 is equal to RF divided by R2. So that is 10 to the power 6 divided by R2 is 500. So answer is 2, 500 K. So 10 to the power 3. Similarly, K3 is equal to 1 mega ohm, 10 to the power 6 divided by 10 to the power 6. So that is value is 1. So now we get all K1, K2, K3 value. From that we can find V out, V0 value. That is minus that 4 into V1 is minus 3. Similarly, plus K2 is 2, 2 into 3 plus 3. V2 is plus 3. Similarly, 1 into plus 2. So we will get minus of minus 12 plus 6 plus 2. So 8 minus, so this is equal to minus of minus 4. So that become plus 4 volt. So here the answer is C, plus 4 volt. So first the equation for finding this output voltage for adder, inverting adder, is minus K1 V1 plus K2 V2 plus the addition of all voltages, and where K1 is equal to feedback resistance divided by that input voltage, input resistance. K1 means R1, K2 means R2, and after finding this K1, K2, K3 value, put all the value in this equation and we can find the Vout value. Here the value is plus 4 volt. C is the answer. Next question, choose the properties of ideal op-amp. And op-amp has open loop gain is equal to infinity, open loop bandwidth is infinity, CMRR is equal to infinity, input resistance is infinity, output resistance is 0. So here the answer is B. Open loop gain infinity, open loop bandwidth infinity, CMRR that is equal to infinity, input resistance infinity, and output resistance 0. So B is the answer. 7th question, the gain of an op-amp is plus 5. Select R1 is equal to 10 kilo ohm and find RF, and this is plus 5 means this is a non-inverting op-amp circuit, non-inverting amplifier. So plus 5 means that is AV is equal to 5, and we know AV is equal to V0 divided by Vi, and Vout is equal to 1 plus RF divided by R1 into Vi. In non-inverting op-amp circuit, this is a voltage expression, output voltage expression. From that we can find Vout Vi, that is known as AV, is equal to 1 plus RF divided by R1. So this value is given as plus 5. So this 5 is equal to 1 plus, we have to find RF, and R1 value is 10 kilo ohm. And solving this, we will get this is 10 and this become 10 plus RF. 10 into 10 to the power 3. 10 kilo ohm, 10 into 10 to the power 3. And this is equal to 5. So now solving this, we will get 50 into 10 to the power 3 is equal to 10 into 10 to the power 3 plus RF. And we need RF value. So this become 50 minus 10 into 10 to the power 3. So this become 40 kilo ohm. So RF value is equal to 40 kilo ohm. So here the answer is C, 40 kilo ohm. Next question, in negative feedback gain decreases. So here the answer is A. In negative feedback gain decreases. Next question, the feedback gain of the circuit, and this is a non-inverting, this is a inverting op-amp circuit. So inverting, the gain, that is AV, that is equal to V out divided by V in, that is equal to minus RF divided by Ri. Here this is feedback resistor, here feedback resistor is R0. So that is equal to minus R0 divided by this is RF. So input resistor is RF. So this RF. So minus R0 divided by RF. This is the answer. So C is the answer. So next question, 10th question, the feedback path in an op-amp integrated consists of. So integrated and differentiator both have just opposite to each value. If integrator has capacitor in its feedback path, the differentiator have resistor in its feedback path. That means if integrator means this is the circuit and this is for integrator. So the feedback path consists of capacitor. So here B is the answer. In case of differentiator, so this is the circuit. It feedback path, it consists of resistor. So just opposite to this integrator. So you remember any one, integrator or differentiator. So just opposite to that. Integrator consists of a capacitor, differentiator consists of a resistor. So here integrator consists of a capacitor in its feedback path. So B is the answer. 11th question, input of a non-inverting amplifier is. So input, non-inverting amplifier, the output and input voltage, the gain, division of this is known as gain of that amplifier. So that is equal to 1 plus Ri divided Rf divided by Ri. So from that we can find this Vi value, input voltage. So if you take solving this, we will get Ri plus Rf. So if you want Vi means this Ri cross product of this, that is V naught Ri divided by Ri plus Rf. So this is the expression for finding the input voltage of a non-inverting amplifier. So here the answer is Vi, input voltage, that is equal to V out, output voltage into input resistance divided by sum of input and feedback resistance. So here the answer is A. And 12th question, gain of an voltage follower is. An voltage follower is also known as unity follower. That means V out, that is equal to Vi. So in this case gain become 1. So gain of an voltage follower is always 1. So D is the answer. Because gain is equal to V out divided by V in. So that is when V out is equal to V in, we will get unity gain. That is known as voltage follower or unity follower. So here the answer is D1. 13th question, op-amp is an voltage control device. And op-amp is an voltage control device. So B is the answer. And 14th questions, and this is a inverting amplifier. So this is inverting amplifier means V out divided by V in, that is equal to minus Rf divided by Ri. So here V out, that is equal to minus Rf by Ri into V in. So Rf value is 100 kilo ohm, Ri value is 10 kilo ohm into V in value is 1 volt. So this get cancelled and 110 100 get cancelled. So answer is minus 10 volt. So V out, that is equal to minus 10 volt. So here the answer is B, minus 10 volt. The 5th question, this is the circuit for, and here in this circuit the input is given to the non-inverting term. So the answer is B, non-inverting amplifier. So in the input is given to non-inverting point.